How to fix the Windows cannot access error. How to fix the error unable to access shared folders over a local network in Windows 11. Follow these steps. Type gpedit in the search box. Edit group policy. Change some default settings as follows. Local group policy editor. These default settings prevent you from accessing shared folders on the local network. Computer configuration. Windows settings. Security settings. Local policies. Security options. In the right-hand window, select the item named Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communications Always. Disabled. Apply. Okay, one step completed, one more step to go. Administrative templates. Network. LAN-man workstations. Enable and secure guest logons. Enabled. Apply. Next, make sure the above settings are applied. Open the Run window. GP Update Force. Okay, next. Next, check if you can now access the shared folder. Network. Error fixed. Don't forget to check out more helpful tips on my channel. Good luck.